Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We are now in our mean, beautiful 1966 Chevy Chevelle 396 big block with a nice bronze exterior and interior. As you see, we have a lot of customization in this vehicle, including the steering wheel, retro sound radio, aftermarket gauges. As you can see, we have a tack in our little aftermarket Bosch gauges, but they still get the job done right. This vehicle is very mean, very powerful, and ready to be taken home. You can hear the meanness that really comes out the back of the vehicle. As you can see, the steering's good.
Oh man, it's nice.
Got that aftermarket column, so you can actually tilt the column the way you want to for us bigger drivers. And besides that, back seat's pretty clean. Nice radio system, as I said before. The clock in the console actually does work. The solid vehicle, especially above and underneath. It definitely is a head turner. Not a very unique color, not the best color, but still nothing like you see in a normal car today. Anyway, we're gonna have some fun, get her turned around, and get her on the lift. Stay tuned.